Hello and welcome to Normoy's channel. Today I will teach you how to submit maternity notification for those who are self-employed and voluntary members of SSS. Click the CC icon on YouTube player below. CC stands for closed captioning. It will translate the audio into text. You should submit a maternity notification 60 days before the delivery date. Before anything else, you need to be eligible in claiming maternity benefits. The member has paid at least 3 months of contributions within the 12-month period immediately before the semester of her childbirth or miscarriage, emergency termination of pregnancy. To go to SSS website, open your browser and search SSS in the search bar. Just press enter. It will then show the results for SSS website. Click on the Republic of the Philippines Social Security System. You will then be directed to SSS website. Under Portals, click the Member button. It will then show the member login. I expect you are already registered and have an account on SSS website. Input your user ID. Input your password. Click the button Sign In. It will then log into your account. A pop-up will show. You can just skip on this and click Maybe next time. You can also close the notification on your inbox and read it later. On your account, choose the Benefits tab. A drop-down menu will show. Click Submit Maternity Notification. This is how member maternity notification looks like. You will then need to choose the expected date of delivery. It shows the month, day, and year. They will ask if you want to allocate a portion of your maternity leave credits. If yes, you need to fill in the necessary information. Or, no, I want to avail the full SSS maternity benefit. A reminder written below states, pursuant to Circular Number 2023-006 dated the 25th of September 2023, starting January 2021, SS contribution includes mandatory pension booster contribution. The computation of benefits under the regular SSS program shall be based on contributions up to 20,000 monthly salary credit. In determining the female member's entitlement to the benefit, the SSS program consider only those contributions paid prior to the semester of contingency. You will now then choose your expected date of delivery. If you are now sure of your expected date of delivery, click the Submit button. It will then show to you the date of delivery and your choice on how you will avail your SSS maternity benefit. If you are now final with your decision, click the Submit button. It will then state that you have successfully submitted your maternity notification, the date it was submitted together with your transaction number. You may also check your email if you added an email address in your SSS account. They will send an email regarding your submission of maternity notification. Click on the Sender SSS Web.Notification. Subject line: Maternity Notification Submission Confirmation on my.sss. This is what it looks like on their email to you. It states that you have successfully submitted your maternity notification to SSS. With the transaction details below, the transaction number, and expected delivery date. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.